Hello everyone, my name is Justin Cagle. This is my introduction for Management 497 Week 1. We were told to do a recording of our introduction through slideshow and pick out one interesting fact in our lives to share with everyone in the class. However, I have several different facts about myself that I chose one special one dear to me. A little bit of backstory. I have been married for 11 years. Actually 11 years this June. We have 3 little girls. At 21 years old, we got married. 23 years old, me and my wife both have September birthdays. I joined the Army to get my college paid for. In doing so, they sent me to Germany. From Germany, deployed with 10th Group Special Forces to Afghanistan. Went to war, come back from war. Once I got back to Germany, I had a couple surgeries from injuries from war. And from there, I was recruited and stationed in Washington, D.C. with the White House Communications Agency. In doing so, I had the privilege to work for 2 different presidents when serving on active duty in the United States Army. The 2 presidents I got to serve under were President Obama and the current President Trump. By far, probably the best 4 years of my life. As far as work goes, I work in the IT field, so you're at the, once you work for White House Communications, you're working on computers and phones for the White House, and it is by far the top of the line job that you can get in communications in the United States. I shared 4 pictures just because they mean so much to me, so I figured I would share to everyone else. The first picture is my wife and I. We got to attend the 75th birthday of White House Communications Agency. It was the only military ball in my 8 years that I actually took my wife and we attended to. The second picture is a picture of me and my wife and oldest daughter and middle child, Hadley and Shelby, and my wife's name's Amanda, of course. My wife's pregnant actually there in that picture, and we're standing on the South Lawn for 4th of July. We were getting ready to watch the fireworks in 2016. The third picture there you see is a picture of our family as a whole together and our new baby Carly. That's the only family picture we've gotten ever when we finally moved back to Alabama. Currently no longer in the Army anymore. Spent 8 years, got out, been home for a year. Got a phone call a few months back that I had the privilege to be able to fly back to Washington, D.C. to spend the day with President Trump and to bring my wife along with me, and we got to take a picture with him at the Oval, of course, you see there. And then after doing so, came back home, been home ever since. Currently work for NASA and the Space Missile Defense Command. They're here on Redstone Arsenal in Alabama. I'm originally from Alabama, so be able to move back from the White House back home to take a job as a contractor has been a very fulfilling job. It's been great for me and my family both. Other than that, I don't really have any pictures of President Obama. I know my way out from the White House, when he was leaving and Trump was coming in, I got given to me a picture of him on Air Force One, and rode on Air Force One multiple times with President Obama, and to get a picture of him, have one, I would show you, it's huge, but I'll save that for another day. But anyways, I'll keep it short and sweet. I hope the class goes great for everyone else, and I hope nothing but the best wishes for everybody. And I want to thank you for viewing my introduction video, and I look forward to reading your responses. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out to me. If I can help you on the class in any way, I'm more than willing to help anyone. So just reach out, and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Y'all have a good night, and good luck on the class. See ya.